You're enrolled. Let's keep rolling. The Enrollment Checklist is here to guide you to your first day of class. First, make sure you set up your Butler account. This will be your connection to all things Butler. Financial aid and scholarships are available. Check out our Financial Aid and Scholarships webpage to get started. There are various ways to pay for college. You can make a payment online, in person in the Accounts Receivable office, or set up a payment plan. For more information, visit our Billing and Payment webpage. Getting your textbooks is easy. Take your schedule/bill to the bookstore or use the information on your schedule to order your textbooks online at bookstore.butlercc.edu. Having your textbooks before classes start is important for your success. Don't forget, being a Grizzly comes with perks. Make sure you get your student ID for free admissions to Butler events, printing on campus, and discounts at local businesses. If you have questions, contact us at 316-321-2222. Welcome to BucoNation and go Grizzlies!